Hi, how are you? Hope you are good and enjoying your life with your colleagues and friends. Today we are discussing about how to become an IOSH tech member. Last time we did discuss in previous video we did discuss about IOSH affiliate membership. So today we discuss about IOSH tech, which is a second grade in IOSH. So in this video, we will discuss introduction of IOSH tech member as well as understanding the role of an IOSH tech member, meeting the basic requirements as well as application process. So let's start. So IOSH Institute of Occupational Safety and Health is a leading a professional body dedicating to promote health and safety in the workplace. One of key membership categories offered by IOSH is the technical IOSH technical member. This membership is designed for professionals who have achieved a certain level of competence and experience in the field of occupational safety and health. What is a Tech IOSH member? IOSH Tech member is an advanced membership category for individuals who have a solid foundation in health and safety practices are looking to further their professional development. This membership recognize the technical skill and knowledge required to effective manage workplace health and safety. Benefit of IOSH Tech membership. Being a tech member, Tech IOSH signifies that you have met the rigorous standards set by IOSH for technical competency in health and safety. Access to resources. As a member have access to a wide range of IOSH resources, including research paper, best practices guide, and online tools. And networking opportunity, tech members can attend IOSH event, conference, and seminars. This opportunity provide you a networking with the professionals in the field. Benefit of the Tech IOSH membership. Continuous professional development. IOSH offers a structured CPD program to help members stay up to date with the latest development in health and safety. Monthly magazine members receive a safety and health practices magazine, which contain news articles and case studies on the current health and safety topics. Requirements for IOSH Tech membership. Qualification to qualify the Tech membership, you must have complete a relevant health and safety qualifications such as the IOSH accredited level 3 qualification, NEBOSH National General Certificate or International General Certificate, which normally we calling NEBOSH IGC, or an equivalent qualification. But make sure when you are taking this any qualification for this grade or any other grade, go to the IOSH website and check the in qualifications. You can see the approved courses and training providers there, which IOSH recognize them. Other courses, other than these courses, which is not mentioned on IOSH website, they are not allowed to qualify. So experience, in additional to qualification, you need to demonstrate a minimum of 3 years experience working in health and safety role. And in skill development, evidence of your skill and experience is typically provided through a documentation or development plan. Application process is quite simple. Complete the online application form on IOSH website providing details of your qualification and experience. submit any required supporting documents such as certificate and references. Uh, so just going before to the who should consider IOSH Tech membership. Uh, for any membership in IOSH, you first you have to be a affiliate member, and then you request for upgrade. So accordingly, when your application is accepted with along your certs, then you be a tech member and you receive a confirmation email. Individual who are actively working in health and safety roles and have accumulated relevant experience and qualifications. Uh, Aspiring safety managers, those who are looking to move into the more senior health and safety position and want to enhance their professional credibility. And technical specialists, professionals who have technical experience and expertise in specific areas, and they want safety and formal recognition their skills. IOSH Tech member is a valuable credential for health and safety professional aiming to demonstrate their technical competency and commitment to the field. By joining as a tech member, you gain access to a wealth of resources, networking opportunities, and professional development program that can help you to advance your career in occupational safety and health. So this is a first step in occupational safety and step in IOSH. Basically, after affiliate, then you are in tech, and then grade IOSH, as well as then the next level will come uh, CM IOSH, and then chartered fellow. So one by one, this is second video. So in third, fourth, and fifth videos, we will cover the rest. Thank you very much. Stay safe.